one of the bosses that we have, Terry Rose. So he's gonna just clarify some stuff.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. I just want to speak before we start. Tim is really excited to see everyone here. That's why we're really saddened with the news na we couldn't go on stage and perform for all of you here. I'm Joe pala, I'm from Dionella's management team. So kasama ko niya ako all throughout this tour. Nakapag-perform ako mga 4 cities in the US. We had Toronto, Winnipeg. This should be our 3rd leg of the tour. Tomorrow, sana. Magkikita-kita dapat tayo tomorrow. That's why when we heard the news from our tour promoter, alam niyo, sinabi sa akin agad ni Tim, nasa airport kami nun. He said, Joe, can we still perform for the people there? Can we find a way na, he can still see everyone here, or the ones who still wants to see him perform? Baka there's a way we can do it. Unfortunately, we only have 24 hours to plan this thing. That's why pasensya na po kung last minute our announcement yesterday. It's literally the night before that until morning of yesterday. That's where we find the venue. That's where we find, people who help us, Calgarians who help us, to make this happen for everyone. Because that's Tim's special request. He really still wants to see the people who wants to see him perform before we leave for Edmonton this afternoon. So we had to make a few arrangements once we heard the news, because we had the tickets going here. We had the airfare, we had a flight going here. But our producer is the one taking care of our hotel, the accommodation. But since the show is cancelled, we're very lucky that we have our tour promoter, Berse, LLC, si Tita Lerma, si Miss Sherry, who actually find way to find a hotel who can accommodate the entire entourage. 15 po kami nagta-travel. They had to book agad a hotel for us. They had to book the transfer from the airport, the hotel, going back to because some of us wants to see Calgary then, so they help us. So they didn't leave us. So they were very helpful. And of course, si Berse also had friends here in Calgary who helped us find the venue. I just want to thank personally po V-Fonts Production who found this venue for us. Just yesterday, sobra pong talagang grabe yung tawagan namin, kaluwag kanan na tawagan para po mangyari to. So, I just want to thank po si Ms. Vanji and si Ms. Arlene of V-Fonts Production for letting us. Thank you po. Thank you po dahil hindi nyo kami iniwan. So we felt safe naman. Even if the cancellation happened and all, we felt safe. We felt really taken care of by the people here. So, that's why we're really committed to do this. Para hanap po tayo venue. Free lang po. Wala pong bayad to. Just want to remind, wala pong bayad to. This is a free show. We just really want to see everyone. We just really want to thank you for your time, for the resources. Alam po namin, hindi murang ticket. For sure, majority of everyone saved for the ticket. Please demand for a refund. Because the show is not happening tomorrow, please demand a refund. This is a free show. Okay? This is a free show. Hindi po ito kapalit pong show tomorrow. This is our effort. Kami-kami lang po ito. No? So please demand a refund for the show tomorrow. And yun lang po. I just really want to think. Sobrang overwhelming po yung nababasa namin comments on social media. I know there were a lot of confusion. Ang dami pang, di ba, parang lahat tayo confused. Up until now, actually kami ni Tim, super confused din sa ano nangyayari din sa production ngayon. But please demand a refund. Diba? You all deserve your refund. Okay po? So po, ang nangyayari enjoy the afternoon. No? Parang, we really want to do this po for you guys. Para mapakita lang talaga, we were really thankful for the support, for the love you've shown to Tim. Ever since pa, sumabog yung sining niya, Marilag. And even those people po na, supporting Tim way before pa, nung nagsa-start siya. Maraming salamat po. Yun lang po, I can't thank you enough. Kasi sobrang ramdam po ni Tim and yung banda ni Tim, yung kami po sa management, the support. Maraming po salamat. Thank you po talaga. Thank you po talaga. So yeah. Okay. So mukhang ready na po tayong lahat. So